So there are some things I would not recommend fixing if you want to sell your house. Like for example, I mean, I probably wouldn't redo the like an entire kitchen or a bathroom, right?
Right. I think the kitchens can get really expensive when you start
Yeah, they
gutting them
can.
all down and getting their money back. The biggest thing I believe people don't know is that when you're taking a kitchen out, you're actually taking a kitchen that works, even though it's not a like a perfectly great kitchen. It's not the ideal kitchen, but you're killing a bad kitchen.
Well, yeah, and you're never going to really get your money back on a
Right.
full kitchen remodel, right? You want to enjoy that while you're living there. You don't want to
Right.
give that
Right.
away.
So if you do essentially tear out that kitchen and put a whole new kitchen in there, you're only going to get the difference in value, right? That's kind of the way I look at it from a value investment
Hmm.
perspective. So if you do some touching up of the kitchen, which is like maybe some knobs on the countertops, maybe even on the cabinets, and paint the cabinets, that's always a good touch, and
Yeah,
it's not super
it's
expensive.
not too expensive to like refinish the cabinets, right? And
Right.
put some knobs on. I think when we bought our house, it had some like old looking oak cabinets, and we sanded them down. We didn't do it ourselves.
Yeah, I was
No,
gonna say.
no, that's for sure. We did not do it ourselves. But we had them refinished by a professional. He sanded them down and he sprayed, I think like a lacquer or something. Remember
It was strong.
it
The
smelled really bad.
Yeah, yeah. But
But then
it's
I went on Wayfair and I bought some really beautiful chrome handles that weren't very expensive, and we put those on. I mean,
the fixtures,
it's an
right?
entirely different kitchen.
Yeah, I would say that's a good investment and good rate of return because now the kitchen looks somewhat new or modern, right? And that was money well spent. Other places you don't want to do any repairs on are like let's just say the roof. If the roof has a small leak, you don't want to replace the whole roof because
Right.
that can be pretty expensive.
Yeah.
You can patch repair a roof, and if it's towards the end of its life, it can become a negotiation during the sale. But I would leave it there.
Yeah. Well, for one second though, I want to go back to the kitchen and bath because those are.
Oh, I didn't. We didn't say bath.
Oh, I did.
You
Yeah.
just said bath. I didn't address the bath. That's
Oh,
why.
that's okay.
I was
That's
still. I
okay.
stayed in
Well,
the kitchen.
you hear what you want to hear.
I guess so.
But like on bathrooms and stuff, right? Because obviously kitchens and bathrooms are the most expensive things to fix, but they do make I think, the biggest impact. So, I mean, you want to just make sure like the freeways obviously make it, clean. As clean as possible, right? Because you can declutter, you can scrub the grout if they're, if there's, it's not granite or something like
There's a lot
that.
of value in clean.
For sure.
People don't think that that's like the most underrated thing. That
And it's free.
yeah, no, that's not free. I
Well,
mean,
well, it's your
elbow
time,
grease is a little expensive sometimes,
I
depending on, but
guess.
it is the least expensive thing to do,
Yeah,
right?
but another thing you can do is
And I think it gets you the most bang for your buck.
very true. So we're about to open escrow on a house, probably today or tomorrow, and I noticed when I had showed it that the tub and the bottom of the shower, like they're worn and faded and all, they don't look good anyways. So my client was like, hey, do we have to like replace all this because that's going to be crazy expensive? And I said, no, there's actually a thing you can do where you can re-glaze it.
Yeah, so that's like a spray, but it's more like a gel spray that they put over the surfaces, right? The countertops. I've had a pink those pink tile
What?
countertops?
Pink?
Pink. So I was like, oh, okay, we need to bring this back down. And it was actually in a nice community, nice home, but it just had a very eccentric type owner, right? So
Was
we
it
went.
from the 70s?
It was 80s. It was
Oh,
80s.
okay.
Yeah, and it
Okay.
was in a nice area, but so we were asking top dollar for it. So we reglazed it to like a light tan color, which was more neutral and more, appealing. It wasn't so far off.
Okay. Okay. I mean, another thing that comes to mind is the flooring, right?